Mr. Speaker, people are talking about coronavirus. How many people coronavirus kill in Nigeria? You are talking about coronavirus. We are talking about bandits. In only a single day, they kill the people that pass. All the people die with corona in Nigeria. People they consider this corona as something. Put your mask, block the state, go. I don't believe with any corona. No corona will touch me. Mr. Speaker, seriously, what I believe in it is look at how we became serious in the issue of corona in this country. Why won't the government be serious in the issue of this killing as they treated corona? Mr. Speaker, seriously, what?
To assalamu alaikum jama'a garin jahun ina mu abota masu son raya garin jahun da sababbin bidiyoyi nishadantarwa faɗakarwa wa'azantarwa
da ilimantarwa ku taimaka mana ta hanyar dangwala subscribe
a jahun
Entertainment TV